Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I am back with another video. What's up sis? How you doing? What up? This is going to be a basic to baddie makeup tutorial, little cute little you was looking crazy, now you're not, okay? So I'm doing this look with my BoxyCharm box for November. I got my box late. That's a whole nother story. We ain't gonna get into that. But I just got my box like a few days ago. So I decided to do this look with my products in my box. If you want to see how I achieve this look, go ahead and continue to watch. But first, subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload, you're notified. Thumbs up this video. Comment down below. Share this video with your friends. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know. You already know. You already know. See you guys in my next video. Remember to bloom because the flowers are so blossoming in nature. Hey. So as I said in the intro, we are going in with our BoxyCharm box, and BoxyCharm is going to help me turn from basic to baddie. Okay. This is the card. This box's theme is stellar. The card looks a little bit different than it normally looks. It has all of the products here. Then it has some coupons and sales and stuff like that. And then the same on the back, sales and stuff like that. So this is the first time they sent it like that. And then the box also came with the samples from BECCA Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. These are all the colors. It's not enough dark colors. But they sent me the 3 samples. I don't plan on using them. That's the color range. You can see this is all we got, sis. So the first thing we're going to go on is with the Tula face mask. It has probiotics, grapefruit, chamomile, and Gotu Cola. Gotu Cola is an herb that helps condition the skin and improve elasticity. Oh, this is a gel mask or a hydrogel mask. Okay, so I let the mask stay on for 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and yank it off. Ooh, oh, my skin feels really hydrated. So fresh and so clean. So now I have these Kypris Quench and Glow Serum. I feel like you could use this without makeup, but I'm gonna just put it as if it's like the Skin Tune Blur from Sally and just put it with primer, I guess. I'm just gonna put a few drops. Okay, so I got these 2 brushes from BoxyCharm as well. These are BoxyCharm's actual brushes, and it comes in this little package like this. And I'm trying to actually decide as I speak if I want to. I know I'm probably going to use this for my contour, but I'm wondering if it'll work as like a foundation brush. So I'm going to go on my Fenty. I'm just going to, let me see. No, it's too freaking weird. Way too weird. Okay, so it doesn't work because it's too straight. I just wanted to try it. It doesn't even look like any products on there. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and do my base and I'll be back. I came back really quick just to show you how this brush works on the... I don't know if it's just too dense. What do you guys think? I don't know about this. I'm not sold on it, but just wanted to show you guys how that worked. I'll be back. Okay, so my base is done, so now we're going to start our eyes, and I got the Dominque Cosmetics Celestial Thunder palette. I believe this is the smaller palette to the Celestial. God damn it, what's the name of that palette? Whatever. But these I'll put it down in the description box. But this is how the palette comes. So pretty. I've swatched it, and yeah, I actually do really like this palette. So we're gonna go in with my LA Girl concealer to prime the lids. So, what are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? I don't know. What are we doing? I'm just now deciding what look I'm going to do. So I'm probably going to go in with this color Storm Dust, which is dark brown. So now I'm going to go in with the color Lunar Eclipse, which is like that orange in the palette. And I'm just going to blend this out with that Storm... I was going to say Storm Chaser. Storm Dust. I actually like the way that it blends. Like, it looks like the colors are supposed to be together. Like, I like when a palette does that. I'm doing a simple look because I don't have time. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go in with Fireball, which is like this glittery orange color. I'm not gonna cut my crease or anything, but of course I'm gonna just add it over what's already here. Okay, so I'm going to take Eternal Light and I'm just going to put that in my inner corner. So I'm just going to dust off the excess powder. So I'm going to add some contour and blush and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've added some contour and a little bit of blush. You already know how it be. So I got the BECCA Champagne Pop. It's a pressed powder and I'm going to use it as a highlight. It's a shimmering powder. This is how it looks. So I'm just going to grab some of that and I'm going to use that as my highlighter shade. Alright, so what we're about to do is we're going to go put on some lashes. And we'll be right back.